Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel that is Study with Entomologist. So today we are going to discuss the important topic for ASRB NET, that is toxicology. Then in this series the first question is DDT synthesized by Jedler in the year 1874. Likewise, second question is Paul Muller identified the insecticidal properties of DDT in 1939. That's why he got Nobel Prize for also. Next question is, could elder and autodiols synthesize? So these both scientists synthesize the cyclodines, and in chemistry we also studied the auto and elders and the diols reactions for the synthesis of the cyclodines. Next question is, restricted pesticide in India. So DDT, aluminum phosphide and monocrotophos all are the restricted pesticide in India. Like DDT used in only public health, monocrotophos only in the coconut for the rhinoceros beetle, and aluminum phosphide only in the government godown zone. Next question is pesticide banned for manufacturer, import and the use. So phorate, phosphomidone and the dichlorovos, all three are the banned for manufacturer, import and use. Next question is lethal dose of a poison per unit weight which kills 50% of the population of test animal is. So these kinds of lethal dose is known as LD50. If lethal concentration are there, then LC50. Likewise, knockdown doses are there, KD50 for synthetic pyrethroids and KC50 for their concentration of synthetic pyrethroids. Next question is pesticide registered in India is an on 1/3/2021. So the answer is 293. Next question is insecticide ban import and banned for import, manufacture and uses. So next question is pesticide restricted in use in India. So 9 pesticide are in restricted use. So answer is 9. Next question is insecticide restricted use in India. So aluminum phosphide, methyl bromide, monocrotophos, DDT, aluminum, all are the restricted. Next question is concentration of insecticide required to inhibit 50% of cholinesterase enzyme. So for cholinesterase it is I50. Next question is the determination of relative toxicity of insecticide by studying their effect on the living organism is known as bioassay. Then Potter tower is used for, so it is used in the toxicological studies for concluding the LC50 and LD50 doses. Next is the term probit was used first by, so probit term was first used by the Bliss and given by Finney but used by Bliss. So remember this concept also. Next question is portion of formulation which possess biological properties or toxic component of the formulation. So it is known as the active ingredient. Next question is dash improve the spray cover by reducing the surface tension of spray droplets. So its answer is surfactant. Next is effective size of dust particles. So effective size of dust particle is 10 micron. Then reduction in particle size of dust formulation increases. So it increases the toxicity, but with toxicity it also increases the drift problem. Next question is when mixed with water a wettable powder forms a, whenever a wettable powder we mixed in water, at that time it formed the suspension, that is known as suspension. The concentration of toxicant in granular formulation, so it is 2 to 10% for the granular formulations. Next question is for applying a systemic insecticide in soil in wetted rice, the formulation preferred is, so granular type of formulation is preferred because in transplanted rice we can't move inside that puddled soils. That's why by throwing granules we can apply the insecticide. Next question is safer formulation developed is are, so the safest formulations are tablet, gel and coil, all are the safe for us. Next question is the joint action of two pesticide to bring about the effect greater than the sum of their individual effect is known as, so it is known as potentiation. Because here both material are the toxic material, but if they will ask about the one material is toxic and the other is non-toxic, and when we are combining these two, one is toxic and the non-toxic, the effect will be greater than the sum of their individual effect. In that case the answer will be the synergism. And in case of pseudo synergism means the other chemical is not toxic, but somehow it is increasing their size or increasing their effectivity, that is known as the pseudo synergism. In synergism, that non-toxic insect, that non-toxic component is working on the enzymatic machinery present inside the insect, which is detoxifying the enzyme. Synergist product are blocking those particular sites of enzymes. But in pseudo synergism, they don't work on the enzymatic machinery of the insect, but somehow they are increasing or decreasing or manipulating the size of the toxic material, that is pseudo synergism. Next is LD50 orals for moderately toxic insecticide, so it is 501 to 5000. Next is glutamate gated chloride channel allosteric modulators are, so these are ivermectin. Next is block stylet penetration of sucking pest, so it is pymetrozine. Next is inhibit lipid biosynthesis, so it is answer is pyromesifen, it is lipid biosynthesis inhibitor. Next is mite growth inhibitors, so all clofentrazine, hexathiozox, diflurodavizone, all are the mite growth inhibitors. Next question is repellent against termites, so pentachlorophenol, thallium sulfide, formaldehyde, all are the only the pentachlorophenol is the repellent against the termites. Next is nearest toxin is, so it is a neurotoxin. Next question is the botanical which form the basis for commercial synthetic insecticide is, so answer will be all, because pyrethrum and the nicotine and rotenone all are the natural, from there we can synthesize the synthetic compounds. Next is neem seed kernel extract, NSAE contains, so it is contain hexanotriterpenoids. Next question is flit is the combination of, so flit is combination of pyrethrum plus DDT. Next rotenone is chemically, so it is chemically a resin. Next nicotine contain dash dash insecticidal properties, so nicotine contain all non-nicotine also, nicotine also, and anabasine also. Next is sabadilla has toxic compound, so it has toxic compound is cavidine and ventridine both. Next question is negative temperature coefficient of toxicity is observed in, so it is observed in all DDT also, synthetic pyrethroids also, and HCH also. Negative temperature coefficients means with the increasing temperature the toxicity of these compounds will decrease, so that is negative temperature. Likewise next question is endo isomers of the dieldrin is, so it is endrin. Next in endosulfan the ratio of alpha and beta isomer is 7:3. Next is the insecticidal actions of OP compounds was discovered by, so it is discovered by the Gerhard Schroeder. They named a gas stradon on the given on the proud of the Gerhard Schroeder work. Next question is quinalphos belong to the which group, so it's belong to the quinoxaline organothiophosphate group. Next is acephate belongs to the group, so it belongs to the phosphoramidone thioate group. Next is dimethoate belongs to the group, so it belongs to the aliphatic amide organophosphate group. Although these all three quinalphos, acephate and dimethoate all are the organophosphate, but inside the organophosphate there are different groups. That's why these three, for building our concept, these three questions are there. Next is carbamate IgR is, so there is one carbamate insecticide which uses IgR and that name is phenoxycarb. Next question is first photostable pyrethroids is, So it is permethrin. And in second way they can ask question, the first pyrethroid that is used in agriculture, answer will be permethrin only. Next, lambda cyhalothrin belongs to dash dash generation of the synthetic pyrethroids. So it's belong to the fourth generation of synthetic pyrethroids. Next is thiamethoxam belong to the which group? So thiamethoxam belong to the nitroguanidine group. Next, Renaxapyr belong to the, it is belong to the diamide group. Next is rodenticides of botanical origin. So for this, the red squill, strychnine and the castor seeds all are the botanical origin for rodenticide. Next is single dose anticoagulant rodenticide. So answer will be bromodiolone. Next question is multi-dose anticoagulant rodenticide. So it is warfarin. Next is the first case of insecticide resistance in the world in St. Joe's scale, and it is against the lime sulfur. Next is the first report of insecticide resistance in India was reported by for the Singhara beetle. And if the question will come, the first report of insecticide resistance in India in stored grain pest, then the answer will be Tribolium castaneum, red floor beetle. Then the amount of initial laid down insecticidal chemical on the surface, that is known as the deposition. So these all 55 questions are the very important questions from the toxicology part. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, share and comment, and if you have any doubt, please write in the comment section.